Brainwaves is a team of 8 people. We have 5 based in UCC in Ireland and we have 3 based in Wales.
The Brainwaves Group is a group doing funded research funded by the Ireland-Wales programme, and we're investigating how we can get value from wastewater when producing a protein-rich crop on that wastewater. Waste is a problem, and companies sometimes spend considerable amounts of money to clean that wastewater to avoid having a negative effect on the environment. What we do is change that whole concept. Waste is not a cost, a problem anymore, but can actually give value. And we try to generate value from waste, so creating a new product. And the Brainwaves team does that with a special plant, duckweed, cleaning wastewater and generating a high protein crop that can be used as a feedstock.
This is a research area that we use for the experimental testing of a variety of different duckweed cultivation systems.
Duckweed is a freshwater aquatic plant. It's wild here in Ireland and Wales, and we are growing it in these cascading recirculatory systems. We started out with simpler prototypes of the system and built them in these cascading units where the dirty water would be fed in at the beginning, and as it cascades through the different system levels, the water is getting cleaner and cleaner as the plant uptakes the nutrients.
One example how we can use our technology is with the dairy processing industry. If you make products like cheese, you end up with a lot of wastewater. That is a valuable resource. At the moment, it's a cost. But with our duckweed system, you can get value out of that wastewater. What we do get at the end of the process is clean water on the one hand and duckweed as a crop on the other. That duckweed is dried and it has about 30 to 40% protein. And that's an excellent material to use as a feed for animals, but also potentially as a food for humans. The value of the duckweed that we've produced in this system is that it can replace imported soy. We have basic systems developed now which are working really well for cleaning water and giving us the duckweed. We're further optimizing it, looking at operational parameters like light intensity, etc. But essentially we have the proof of concept that our ideas about using duckweed to clean wastewater, they do work. The future is to use these same systems at a much larger scale in different industry settings.
One of the goals that we have is to find partners, SMEs in engineering and design to work with on our systems. The systems that we're developing have potentially huge benefits for end users. We're always looking to partner with end users such as farmers and help them to deploy these systems on their farms.